The goal of this video is to find the answer to this question. 40 plus 8 equals 48, 48 divided by 2 equals 24, and the result of the parentheses is 7 minus 3 equals 4, and finally 24 times 4 equals 96. But this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations. Look, the PEMDAS rule is very simple. First, we have to solve the expressions inside the parentheses, then the exponents. Next, we get to multiplication and division, which have the same priority and must be solved strictly from left to right. And finally, we have addition and subtraction, which also need to be solved in the exact same way, from left to right. This channel is exclusively for the bright minds. If you're smart, hit that subscribe button. In this expression, we have addition, division, multiplication, parentheses, and subtraction inside the parentheses. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, we must first solve inside the parentheses. So 7 minus 3 equals 4, and the expression becomes 40 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4. In this expression, after the parentheses, it's time for multiplication and division, which must be solved from left to right. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4, then 4 times 4 equals 16, and finally it's time for addition. 40 plus 16 equals 56. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you for your support.